Alright everybody, I got about 8 minutes left on my lunch break. I have to take it off the clock today, though it's not paid because I'm not working 8 hours. Oh well. So, I think I'm just going to go with your standard pawn development. He goes after it now. Interesting. I think he may have made a mistake there. Yeah, there's a stalemate. And let's say he doesn't go after it. That actually might work for him. His king's got opposition, so he'll be able to promote in this position. I'm gonna have to look at that game again, come up with something else perhaps. He may have me, we'll see. The best move. I'm surprised he went for that. I really am. I mean, I don't know if that's really gonna put him up that much. I mean, look, he's got a rook and a knight and a bishop. So that's 11 points. We both have 3 pawns. And then I have 2 bishops, 2 knights. That's 12 points. So I'm up a point. Though I do have a stacked pawn on the d file. And my bishop is pinned right now, but I can change that easily. Alright, now again, you'll probably do this. Then I come here. If he does something like this, it's still a stalemate. So I don't know if he can promote yet. Let's see, what else could he do? He could lead. Come here. You know, and then it's a dance back and forth. Well, actually, he would probably come here. Because then when I step back here, he comes in here. But that's a stalemate. So I don't think he can promote. Okay, I think he can square the pawn. Yeah, so he can square the pawn. So what I'm going to want to do is lead with the king. Now if he comes here, I can come here. If he comes there, now he can't square the pawn. So I'm just going to have to, hold back a bit. But let's see, if I come here and he comes here first, now he can't square the pawn. Alright, so this is a safe move. I think I may have messed this one up, but oh well. It was likely I was going to lose anyway. Oh, that's an interesting approach. But I do believe it's still going to result in a stalemate. Alright, I think I'm going to do something bold here and play something like this. I'm still up with a comfortable amount of material, so let's go ahead with that. And what's good, the last move in that sequence gives check. Let me make sure I thought that one through right. Yeah, alright. Man, I don't know if you can hear this wind, but it is howling. I don't think he can pull it off. I really don't. And I just want to check, see how much time left on some of these games. All right, 5 days. Seven days. All right. Let's see what he came up with. Interesting. So I do believe, you know, if he tries giving check here, and I step back, he comes here with the king. Again, we have this same, you know, now he doesn't have to play the stalemate. Well, that's stalemate. He could just step back, but then, you know, it's going to be situations like this. You know, just, there's a stalemate, so. Alright, my alarm's going to go off soon. Alrighty. Catch you guys after work.